Good morning, I'm Buddy Siegfried, Siegfried's Restaurant Equipment. Today I want to talk to you about our installs with hoods. We have 42 years of experience knowing the proper CFMs on exhaust and return air on all our fans and all our hoods. All of our hoods are NSF approved and UL. If you're going to have anybody install your hoods, be very careful you get the person that knows all the rules and regulations about installs. If you follow those rules, you won't be disappointed on the final when it's time for inspection. One more thing that I want to bring up that we spoke about last week: when you're buying equipment from dealers that are selling you equipment with one-way pockets, the items that you bought that you're not familiar with, like Vulcan and Baker's Pride and some of the top names, if one day you're going to have to sell them or go back to trade them in, check those items on the internet. You'll find the value on those are next to nothing and you're going to be disappointed. So please, when you buy from any dealer and he's going to sell you new equipment or used, check on the internet what they bring used so you're not disappointed when you're going to make the resale. Thank you.